Finally, the wait is over, guys. Canva has dropped a big yet most awaited update ever. Yes, now you can add gradient effect to your text in Canva. No more third-party apps or hacks. Imagine Canva doing its magic on your POD product designs, making it look more professional and premium. Alright, so let's open Canva app. You can do this on your phone. It's very easy. And I'm just going to open a t-shirt design template here. You can choose any design, and here I have taken one design template. Let's change its color, and here in the color option you can now see gradient feature. Now all the Canva lovers know how long we are waiting for this feature, and finally this feature is here. You can even click see more, and here are the list of the gradient colors which we can choose from and apply in our fonts. I would like to mention that this feature is only available for text and not for graphics. So here I'm exploring different color options in the gradient, and let's see. Okay, this looks good, so I'm going with this gold one. Now we can also edit the angles of this gradient by just clicking the gradient option again, and you can see here that we can customize it with the different angles for this gradient. So I'm keeping the gradient as it is. We can even change the color option, like I'm dragging this color into a bit brighter side. Yes, it's looking good now and it's looking perfect. Let's do this for another color. Here I'm dragging it a bit for a darker shade, and yes, it's looking good. And here I'm going to add the same gradient to the lower font as well. As you guys can see, my design is almost ready, so I'm just adding a more depth by adding a grunge on my design. So you can type grunge and choose any grunge option under the graphics. So I have added a grunge option, and I'm going to change the grunge color into black so it will look good on my design. So this is how you can turn any simple design into a gradient design. The smooth color blend will instantly add depth to your designs, and that's it. Download your design and level up your next POD project with this new Canva feature. Watch your design stand out from the rest. So try it out right now and let me know what you think of this new Canva update in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.